Hi. Are you ready for adventure? Join Borwar, a half-vampire, half-human warrior, and Tamash, a young member of the Atlantis clan, as they brave evil to save the world from destruction. Get ready for a great adventure with book Adventures of Borwar. Go on an adventures with Borwar and Tamash, who must travel to Sweden for a clan reunion to save the world from destruction. Face dragons and werewolves, meet new friends, and let yourself be carried away by the fantastic Adventures of Borwar. This extraordinary journey will teach you many valuable lessons and will explain what true courage is. Don't wait. Join Borwar and Tamash and see what awaits you on this unique journey. Remember that action takes place in the 21st century in many real places, such as the city of Frankenstein in Poland, so you can follow Borwar's adventures with a backpack and a book through a fascinating and unforgettable journey. Visit now the website at lukasfrankenstein.com. Select your language at the top left. Then go to the publisher's store with the book section. You will find book The Adventures of Borwar. In the description there are links to all Amazon worldwide where you can order the book. We wish you successful adventures with Borwar.